In this video, I'm gonna show you how to clear the event viewers in Windows 10, 7 and 8. So firstly, click on Start, then type CMD. Right click on Command Prompt, run as administrator. If it will ask permission, so click on Yes. Now copy this command from this site, and also you can type this command manually. So copy this command and right click on top bar, then edit, then paste. Now press enter. Now wait for a while till this procedure will be complete. So guys, once this procedure will be complete, all event viewer will be cleared. So hopefully guys you like this video, and by this simple step we can know how to clear event viewer in Windows 10, 7 and 8. This method will work and this command will work in all versions of Windows. Thanks for watching this video.